Hello, beautiful people. Thank you so much for your responses, for your comments, for watching my video, taking out time. I'm highly grateful to all of you. So, all of you have asked me, most of you have asked me how I have received this idea, how I have got this idea, and what are the plans. Yes, I do have a plan. I do have certain professions, and if you also have any professions, please mention in the comment section what professions you would like, or else you can do a small exercise. You people, whosoever is meeting an elderly people, or those who are having elders at home, those who are above 50, ask them what you wanted to become when you were young. If you were having all the resources, if in today's time you would be 20-year or 15-year, what you would be wanted to become, and ask them what professions they wanted to become. We can definitely have more and more contribution, because if we are having many minds at work, we will win the fortunes. We can create fortunes for them, right? It is our responsibility, those who have taken care of us, those generations who have taught us so much, from whom we have learned so much. Yes, I will definitely tell the story maybe in a later video. In this video, I just want to discuss about certain professions. Today, I will take up one profession one by one. We will talk about beauty pageants. Yes, beauty pageants have a very limited age, right? For Miss India, it is till 20s, and for Mrs. India, it is till 30s, I believe. So, or Mr. India also, it's till 20s or something like that, right? And there is no Mr. India if the person is married. That's what I believe, these are the parameters, right? So, why can't we have a certain beauty pageants for Miss India, for elderly people, Mrs. India for elderly people, or Mr. India for elderly people, or Mr. India married for elderly people? There are so many elders, those who don't get married. Just visit old age homes. They have not got married due to family obligations, due to family responsibilities. Many females, those who have supported their families, you will come to know. Yes, that's why Miss India for elderly people. You never know what they wanted to become. And anyways, if we will start this contest, their age will start getting reversing, because they would be focusing on themselves. And yes, second point, why I wanted such contests, because when we are having such contests, right, they will get global applause, or maybe models, or maybe glad rags, mega model, manhunt, or supermodel, female, male. Then these are for elderly people also. Why not for elderly people? You just see the age reversing. Just see how their neurons and their brain cells would start reversing. There are certain experiments and studies which has shown, once you start focusing on yourself, everything starts growing. Your cells also start growing, right? So why can't we have such contests for them? So definitely we can have. There is nothing impossible in this world. We will have proper training channels for this population. The problem with India is that we have got independence without any discipline. If we would have discipline and independence and freedom, then the country would be different, because it's a golden bird, right? And we have all the season, every possible and every best resource is available in India. So yes, we can make this country shine. We can increase the GDP. We can increase the global, increase the economy, everything at a global level. The world should look up to us, right? And it's a global effort, and we'll keep on posting such videos. And please, it's my request, keep on sharing till the time we will not find our tribe who is ready to work, who is ready to take action on this, right? So I will keep on spreading this message. Even if people are working and they are ready to add me in the project, I am okay with that, because I really want to take up this challenge and take up this effort. Maybe I have to spend my life on this. Yes, I would dedicate this to all the elders in my life, and especially to my parents who have raised me. And it's our support and our time to think for them when when they will become elders, when they are elders to us, right? And when we can do for them right now. And I wish everyone parents should stay with them for 100 years and as many years, because they are the ones who always think good for you, right? So see you till then. Ta-ra, bye-bye, take care, till next video.